Fatima. My name is Kamran. We are the second class and we are going to practice rhyme.
कृपया शांत बैठे, कृपया बैठ जाएं और देख लीजिए छोटे छोटे बच्चे 2-3 महीने में कितने तरह से प्रस्तुति देते हैं। कृपया बैठ जाएं। स्टूडेंट्स, मेक द पेरेंट्स टू सिट। यहाँ पर प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर हैं, वो सब फोटोज ले रहे हैं, बाद में इनसे लीजिए। आप मोबाइल से ना लें। यहाँ पर जो कार्यक्रम हो रहे हैं उसका मजा लें। Let's encourage our small tiny children.
Clap your hands, listen to the music and clap your hands. Turn around, listen to the music and turn around. Stamp your feet, listen to the music and stamp your feet. Jump up high, listen to the music and jump up high. Wave your hand, listen to the music and wave your hand. I'm gonna reach up high and sing out loud. Gonna jump and clap 'cause I feel real proud. Hang about, arms up, thumbs up, toopa-toppa, toopa-toppa. I said a toopa-toppa, toopa-toppa. I'm gonna reach up high and sing out loud. Gonna jump and clap 'cause I feel real proud. Put your hands up, never stop. Sing, song. All day long. Oh, these little bundles are going to present. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Manoj Pazai and I am Nasim Dhoni. I am farmer and cricket team captain. I was a wicket keeper and right hand batsman. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Abdul. I am APJ Abdul Kalam. I am Indian Aerospace scientist, 11th President of India. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Savitri Bai Phule. I established first non-government girls school in India. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Rakesh Sharma. I am the first Indian citizen in space. I joined the Indian Force as a pilot in 1970. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Mother Teresa. I was a Catholic nun in Kolkata and dedicated my life for humanity. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Manju Arora. I am Sir Pandit Radhakrishna. I was a philosopher and second president of India. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Anandibai Joshi. I am first female citizen of India. I completed my studies in Western medicine from United States. Thank you.
Yo, blaze up and walk, light it up to the beat. Come on,
Good morning to all. I am Naskar Sandhu. I am Indian model and Miss Universe of 2021. Thank you.
Yo, blaze up and walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Yo, just with attitude and never lie to.
Thank you, dear friends, for your this wonderful performance.
Yo, blaze up and walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Yo, just with that.
A very good morning to Reverend Father, Principal, Chief Guest, sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It gives us a great pleasure to stand here and to share with you this convocation ceremony of St. Mary's Preparatory School. Going to school is really fun. It is here that I get time to play and have fun. It is here I learn to read and write, to sing and dance and never fight. Good morning to all. Today we the students of class 1 would like to share our experiences. From NC to UKG we learned how to walk.
walk in the line. We learned so many rhymes. We learned to dance. We have enjoyed so much during the periods of sports on the swings, and we are going to miss that fun. We feel so nice when our teachers hug us. We will miss your love, dear teachers. We were so much pampered and loved by everyone in the school, and especially in the pre-parade section. We are going to miss that all. Myself, Anvika, on behalf of my classmates, I would like to say a big thanks to our principal, Reverend Father Vijay, sisters and teachers for their valuable words, encouragement and their support. On this special day, we the students of class UKG would like to say thank you to our beloved teachers for their love, care and wonderful teaching. Today we really want to say thank you to our helpful and yes, our Didi and Bhaiyaji for their uncountable work.